In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete clips in CapCut PC. If you made an editing mistake, trimmed out a bad take, or just want to remove extra footage that is cluttering your timeline. This is one of the simplest things you can do in CapCut. Once you know where to click and what happens after deletion, cleaning up your edit becomes much faster and a lot less stressful. To begin, look down at your timeline and find the exact piece of footage you want to remove. This could be a video clip, an audio clip, or any single block sitting on one of your track lanes. Click once directly on that specific clip. When it is selected properly, CapCut will show a thick white border around the clip block. That border is your confirmation that you are targeting the right item before deleting anything. It is always a good idea to pause for a second here and make sure you selected the correct clip, especially if several clips are sitting close together on the timeline. Once the correct clip is selected, deleting it is very easy. On your keyboard, press the Delete key or the Backspace key. You can also use the shortcut toolbar above the track lanes and click the Delete icon, which looks like a small trash can. As soon as you do that, the unwanted clip disappears from the timeline. One helpful thing to notice is what CapCut does with the empty space after the clip is removed. By default, when you delete a clip from your main timeline, CapCut automatically shifts the remaining clips backward to close the gap. This built-in ripple behavior is extremely useful because it keeps your edit tight and prevents accidental blank spaces or black screens from appearing in the final video. In other words, the timeline stays clean without you needing to manually drag everything back into place. That is really all there is to it. You select the clip you do not want, delete it using your keyboard or the trash can icon, and CapCut takes care of the gap for you automatically. It is a quick, efficient way to keep your project organized and your timeline easy to manage. With just a few clicks, you can remove unwanted footage and keep your editing workflow moving smoothly. You're all set. Done.